Hello, this is a video demonstrating how to set up a script that will open up multiple terminal windows and run Python scripts. So first, change your folder to Documents, where I have the ScriptRunner.sh file. I changed the permissions on it so that we can write with this file. So that's done by just typing this in. So after that, it gets a little bit more complicated. I will pull up a document really quick that I've pre-made. Where'd that go? There it is. Alright, so now we're going to want to edit our bash file, but since I've already done that, I will demo how to reset the bash. So, if you want to reset your bash, all you have to do is enter in these three commands, and then you can reset your bash to defaults that the system already had. Alright, so now we have it all reset, and you see it changed right here. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to use Vim in order to go into and edit our bash rc file. So once we get in there, I did a weird thing, so it does that window first, but once we get in there, we're going to go down and we're going to find a line of code that has let's see here, PSI in it, or PS1, and it should look something like this. So the issue we have is that something with this line, with these brackets out here, cause the terminal window to constantly rename itself, and so we want to prevent that from happening and make it so that we can keep a name that we end up naming this terminal window. So now that we've gotten this far, what we want to do is we want to grab this here and replace that line. So I'll type in I to insert into the file. I'll go to the N here, and I'm just going to delete the whole thing up until the variable declaration. And now I have that. And what I'm going to want to do here now is go ahead and hit escape, and then do a colon, and then from there I'm going to do WQ to write and quit, and now I will go ahead and source tilde/.bash rc so that we can run it, and we see we changed the file there. So now that all that is set up, go through. Here's some reference links in case you need to fix after messing up the bash file, or if you want to check out what everyone's talking about in this thread. And then all you need to do now is you need to open up your file, which I have here, and you feed it the absolute path to your scripts. So in this case, I have 3 scripts called test, located in the documents folder, the downloads folder, and the desktop folder. So I don't need to really do anything with that, but I will change some names. Doc test, and this does not take spaces, so you want to make sure to put these with no spaces, that way it'll run properly. And we'll save this, and from here all we need to do is / and then ScriptRunner, spell it right, runner.sh. And now it'll open up all the files that we created with the names that we put on top of them, and they will run the one script that we have in there. And that's how this code works and how you can set up your computer to do it.